Hello friends and welcome back to Dash of Spices. On today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I made this delicious chicken coconut curry with butternut squash and turmeric and saffron. It is very delicious, so flavorful. I hope you guys going to like it. Let's get started. In a pot, add 1 tablespoon of oil. When the oil is ready, add the meat. I'm using ground chicken meat. You're welcome to use chicken breast or chicken thighs. It's really up to you. Cook until the chicken ground meat is lightly brown, just like this. And kind of push that on the side. Add about a teaspoon of cooking oil. Add the diced garlic and the diced onions. Mix until aromatic. Then add about a tablespoon of this turmeric, parsley, and saffron seasoning, ground white pepper, garlic salt, garlic with Himalayan salt, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and a tablespoon of water, just using the same container, and mix this all together. Let it cook for 3 minutes covered. After 3 minutes, remove the lid. Taste it, and you could adjust the seasoning to your liking. Now add the butternut squash. I like butternut squash, so I add a lot, but this really up to you. Mix until combined, and then add a dried parsley. If you have fresh parsley, that's even better. Now mix this together, cover, and let it cook for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, remove the lid and add the coconut milk, about 1 cup coconut milk or coconut cream if you have that one as well. Mix until combined or well distributed, and then add about a teaspoon of sugar. I use white sugar because white sugar works perfect with the coconut milk. And covered this and let it cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, this is good to go. If you want, you could taste this and adjust to your liking, but the seasoning was perfect, so ready to serve. Serve this on top of a white rice, or if you don't want rice, go ahead and just eat it as is. This is super delicious, so flavorful. I hope you're going to give this a try. I hope that you like this video, and if you do, please click that like button. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you everyone for watching. Until next time, ciao!